In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a bank account for payouts in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open your account settings area, where you can manage business and payment details. In the Settings menu, look under Account Settings and click Business. This section contains the information related to your company profile, payout setup, and banking details. After opening the Business section, find and select the Bank Accounts and Currencies tab. This is where Stripe lets you manage the bank accounts connected to your account for receiving payouts. On this page, click Add Bank Account to begin adding a new payout account. Stripe will then ask you to choose the country and currency for the bank account you want to connect. Select the correct options carefully, since the payout setup depends on the region and currency you choose. Next, enter the account holder name exactly as it appears on the bank account. After that, fill in the required banking details. The fields you see may vary depending on your region. You might be asked for information such as a routing number, sort code, account number, or IBAN. Enter each detail carefully and make sure everything matches your bank records. Once all the details are entered, take a moment to review the information. Check the account holder name, country, currency, and all bank account numbers to make sure there are no mistakes. Accurate information is important because incorrect details can delay or prevent payouts. When you are satisfied that everything is correct, click Save or Add Bank Account to submit the new payout account. Stripe may ask you to complete an extra verification step. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the account details. The verification process can vary depending on your country, your bank, or your Stripe account settings. After the verification is complete, return to the Bank Accounts and Currencies section and confirm that the new bank account now appears in the list. This lets you know that the account has been added successfully and is available for payouts. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.